Hi guys, welcome to my channel and we're making a dessert namhlanje. I had carrot cake at the fridge for the longest time, but then we said I take and then I decided to make a custard using ilo amaqanda 3 like egg yolks with ilo corn flour, vanilla essence njengoba ngihlanganisa and ushukela usawuda ngufakanga. There's no need actually. And then ngabe sengenza-ke bese ngiqala ngenza ubisi-ke when I'm done with this. Sengenza ubisi olushisayo and then ngizoqala ngilifake kwi-mixture lati senze ekuqaleni ukuze lingathi lingifika lapha libe lishintshe like ukuze lihlangane kahle yabo. So yeah, and then ngila sengiyayenza izobe siyavuthwa uzobona nje and it looks thick. Ngizobe sengiyishintshe-ke i-stove because i-stove iside leli engifake kulona liyashisa kakhulu kanti ibhodwe elincane, so ngase ngiliphindisela kule bhodwe kule side elinelo oh my god kule plate elincane yeah. Bangazi why bese ngikhohlwa. And then ibuya kanje and then la sengiyayiphaka-ke and it looks amazing and it tastes amazing. Bese ngifaka no-banana-ke just for ukuthi ibuye kahle. Ngase ngifaka-ke no-icing sugar and it was amazing. Yeah, you should try it out. If you need a recipe a carrot cake, or just say it in the comments. Thank you guys. Bye.